Now, forewarned weather with Exact Track 4D.
Brett's in for Kim tonight. Remember that extra hour we got back in the fall? The loan has come due.
I know, I'm going to miss it, too.
It's out of here.
Tomorrow night, yeah.
And it's happening on a weekend where we're going to go from, not too bad this time of year, to old man winter coming right back.
There you go.
Two bad things in one night for us. In the meantime, we still have some rain falling across Metro Detroit. A lot of low-level moisture, right? So when you look at the camera picture here, you can see how low these clouds are hanging. That's because of the high moisture content within the low levels of the atmosphere. Conditions do improve rain-wise over the next 12 hours, but in the meantime, we are still tracking some rain, and as a result, visibility is down in some spots as well. Though for some of us, conditions are already improving. So we'll show it to you here on Exact Track 4D radar. And you can see that while a lot of us are still seeing some light to moderate rain, more breaks in the rain parts of Wayne, Washtenaw, and Monroe counties. Further north, though, we are still seeing some decent rain falling, especially up in parts of Genesee, northern Oakland County, even some moderate pockets of rain as well. Stretching further east into parts of northern Macomb County, there's also some decent rain falling not far from Armada, Ray Township, and Romeo as well. But between now and about 4 or 5 a.m., the rain tapers down, and then we look ahead to the potential for some snow. This system is a large one. It's been raining since about 1 o'clock today, so this is going to be a 13 or 14-hour event by the time all is said and done. The snow is to our northwest for now, but we could see some come Sunday. Let's time it out for you. Anything that falls between now and about 4 or 5 a.m. should be kind of tapering down, but by daybreak we should be drying out. Clouds, though, hang tough on your Saturday, so if you're going to be out, I don't think that we'll see much in the way of sunshine, but we could see a drip or a drop or a flake. You can see the model trying to squeeze out a little something, though with that being said, by far the better chance to see anything falling this weekend comes on Sunday. On the back side of this system, we get kind of that flow off the Great Lakes, gusty winds, and yes, we're talking about some snow. Now, I don't think that we're going to see much in the way of accumulation. Some spots, especially under some of these heavier bands, could see a quick, light accumulation, 1, maybe 2, 3/10 of an inch. That's about it, though. It's not going to be a widespread thing. If you do happen to get that, you're one of the few. The second half of Sunday, we're already seeing the sunshine try to break out to the west. We'll see more of it, though, come Monday. The other thing that we're watching for this weekend are the gusty winds. Hang on to your hat both Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow, winds are going to be gusting close to 30 in the afternoon, but watch what happens on Sunday. This is when that snow starts to move in. Yeah, we could see winds gusting near 40 miles per hour, so a couple of windy days with the windiest coming on Sunday. 47 for the low here tonight, with that rain kind of tapering down, especially by daybreak tomorrow. Tomorrow's high 52. That's in about 1 hour. Tomorrow, it's going to be numbers falling pretty much all day. We'll spend most of tomorrow in the 40s, but relief is on the way. Sunshine returns Monday, 60s return next week. The trade-off, though, rain is set to return Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Yeah.